Want intro toward becoming successful entrepreneur? Welcome! Today we're going to explore entrepreneurship exciting. To be a successful entrepreneur, whether refining old skills or starting fresh, takes real work plus a great idea. Vision, planning, plus sticking with it and being able to adapt are what's needed. Okay, here's how to nail success. Watch this video and learn key steps. Okay, so jump right in and let's do this. Got a clear vision? Good. Now make a plan that's true to you. So what problem are you trying to solve? So who's your audience really? So what value do you bring to market honestly? Once things are clear, create a strong business plan as next step. So a solid plan? It shows what you want, how you'll get it, money stuff, and running things true to you. Think of it as a map, helping keep focus true to you. Vague ideas need plans or just dreaming happens. Do some industry research, scope out competitors, figure out what makes you uniquely valuable. Okay, so build resilience because this entrepreneurship thing, it can be tough. Setbacks and failures happen to everyone. Successful entrepreneurs, staying resilient and learning truly sets them apart from others. Try seeing challenges a bit differently, like maybe chances so you can learn plus get better. To get through tough times, find some mentors, peers or advisors who'll guide, motivate, maybe help you. Also remember self-care. Looking after yourself helps you stay successful for longer. Okay, so ideas matter, but what really counts is getting things done and staying flexible. Lots of folks come up with good ideas, but success? It's for those taking action. To reach goals, start small, keep doing things. Oh, and make sure you adapt too. Business changes fast, so get ready. Maybe you'll need to pivot sometimes. Hear your customers out, keep an eye on what's trending, and don't be afraid to tweak how you do things. Being flexible? It might just decide whether your business makes it or breaks it in a market that's always changing. Scene 5. Successful entrepreneurs. They're always learning and networking, never stopping. Keep skills sharp and stay curious, be it leadership, marketing, or finance stuff. Read books, maybe take workshops, plus keep current regarding what's new. It might assist you. Building relationships? Yeah, that's also key. Networking? Think it unlocks partnerships, funding, and maybe some good advice. Go to industry events, connect with people like you, and don't be shy about asking for help when needed. So in summary, becoming successful entrepreneur means vision, resilience, how you do things, changing as needed, and always learning. Sure, though challenges abound, it can be quite rewarding. With right approach, dreams turn real. Thanks for watching and wishing you all best.